I normally try to stay in my lane on most things, and I normally try to keep my ears to myself. However, I just got done, and part of my day, being in the same space as somebody else who's an avid Trump supporter. And listening to this person at first enraged me as he was talking to the other person who was helping him about how Trump was going to get rid of all the people that didn't look like him and was going to drop the interest rates for people that looked like him. And continuing to listen, and then I felt almost sad for this person because he kept talking about the time before, how he was literally thinking about his mother's past job at an auto factory, or how the life in the past was better for him, and reminiscing constantly about old TV shows like the Beverly Hillbillies, and how today's shows just basically aren't as nostalgic to his way of thinking or looking at things. They truly do not really have the ability to look past the past where they had relevance. They are looking at Donald Trump as giving them relevance back, not realizing that trying to put us in reverse to go back to where they were relevant is destroying our country. Time moves forward for everybody. At some point or another in everybody's existence, society moves past them. And it's what, in my humble opinion, I believe their inability to just fade into the distance gracefully and say that I've left the world a better place than when I came into it. It seems to be of their opinion, what I have gleaned, that I built this world and you can't have it, and I will burn it down on my way out. And that you have to wait until I'm gone until you can make it yours. It is a very broken mindset, and trying to find a way to connect with people like that is almost impossible. Do yourself a favor. Save yourself the hardship. If you see a glimmer of light with a person like that, try. But if you notice that there's just no way to bring them around, your own mental health is more important. That's what I know. Because when it comes down to it, the only person that you're able to control and or change is yourself. As always, I'm going to continue to be here and continue to add to the conversation. I'm Neuro, and I'll catch you on the flip.